So I just got off of work and I look rough and my hair looks a mess. I know. I worked at 10:30 to 5, bro, and my feet and my back hurt like a. Okay. Yeah, but it was a nice little shift. What else do I have to do? And then I need to drop my wig off to the girls' shop, and then I need to go get Shanti, and we need to go get some bleach so I can bleach her bundles for school. And then by the time I'm done probably bleaching her hair, I should probably be on my way to my appointment. Y'all, my appointment isn't until like 10:30 or 11 tonight because she squeezed me in because I had to cancel my other appointment because I have to work tomorrow where my other appointment was. So yeah. But yeah, so that's pretty much what I'm doing right now. Now I'm in Target's parking lot because I gotta return some shorts, and this outfit I thought I could fit, and I cannot fit it. It's too little big, too little. So yeah, I'm about to return that because I've had it for like a week or two, and it's a Target over here. So yeah. Okay, y'all. So I'm about to go in Target. Oh, well, I thought I didn't have the receipt. Boy. All right, but I'm about to go in Target. I'm about to get out the car without turning my car off. Like, where are my keys? Well, this is one thing I don't like about having a push to start. Oh, I got them. All right. But yeah. Oh, y'all, my glasses fogging up. But I'm working in Target right now. Y'all, I haven't vlogged in public in so long. My glasses need to unfog. So I'm kind of nervous. Like, I don't want to put the phone up. I'm trying to think, do I need anything out of here before I just leave? They trying to hit me. Bro, everybody's hiring. Every time I walk in somewhere, we're hiring. They got a big old we're hiring sign. But Target don't like to hire nobody, so. Please wait here until you're called forward. Oh, yeah. Hey y'all, so I'm currently snatching my wig off. And I'm at Shanti house. This is what I'm talking about. Like, I just thought about, I did some stuff and I just be forgetting to record. I went to the store, I done dyed Shanti's hair and I forgot to record for y'all. But I'm trying to get this wig off and it's not coming off. Like, that's how you know the glue good, but like, bro, give it a rest. It's been in my head for like 2 weeks and I got in the pool yesterday. Like, come on, bro. This is crazy. I feel like it's about to snatch my little corner piece of hair off. Or it's sad because it's really not coming off, man. Like, this is crazy. Bro. Off in the edge of this. Bro. No. Say hey to YouTube.
Nah, you know you dead wrong.
Bro, get this off of my hair, bro. Okay. Dang, you using a lot of force.
It's coming off, ain't it?
Stop, bro.
Bro, it's coming off, ain't it?
No, it ain't.
This big ass egg killing my eye. This eggy shit.
Bro.
Like, I'm concerned. Do you want me to be gentle? Like,
Yes. I want my edges.
that's the one who was ripping it off.
I didn't rip it. I stopped ripping it because it hurt it bad. But you rubbing the lace on my head.
Nice.
Is you really?
Yes.
Bro, what's going on? Why is it so stuck? Bro, pour the alcohol in my hair at this
Now
point.
you know you dead wrong, cause that shit gonna end up in them eyeballs.
I probably like to speed it up.
Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So go now, I'm what to do. That's why I'm spend my life with you. I wanna please you any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is no one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give it. All day long, your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
You let me cater to you. You let me cater to you. I wanna let you know that I admire what you do. I want me to reassure you, my love will be purposeless without you. If I wanted, I'm gonna ask you. You fly me to you. Challenge me for the better. What you let me cater to you. Say you go, turn my game on. I'll push you again. You let me cater to you.
I took some time off to rest, and now it's game time, bitches.
Hey guys, so I just got home. Did I show y'all see my hair? I was about to say, did I show y'all my hair? But don't play with that girl. I gotta go to work at 4 o'clock. It's like 1 something, and I haven't ate nothing, so I'm hungry. But I'm about to show y'all. If y'all hear, tiptoe, that's my dog. So and that's my camera back. I guess I could record on my camera right now. I don't really want to though. So, but I'm about to open a package. This is some school supplies. Yeah. Some more of my school supplies supposed to come today. So yeah. First I got a pack of Sharpies. 2 packs of paper. Some folders. And some mechanical pencils. I don't know where the rest of it is, but yeah, that's what came today. Y'all, I need to clean. My room's not dirty, but I just feel like there's stuff everywhere. I don't know. Like, all my new clothes is sitting over there. Like, all of that's new stuff except the backpack that's on my dresser. But, like, I don't know. I just feel like it's stuff everywhere. I need to put it up. But I was thinking about doing a, what was I finna do? I was thinking about doing a school clothing haul or whatever. But I don't know. I was gonna do it, but then at the same time, I feel like, no. I got a lot of stuff, but I feel like the videos be having, like, a whole bunch of stuff. So, like, I don't really want to do it. I don't know. And I don't want to show y'all my clothes I got, because then all the people's going to see it that go to my school. I don't know what's wrong with these dogs. They're crazy. But I need to fold my clothes, which is not gonna happen. Like, I'm gonna keep it real. Like, I'm not gonna fold them. So I don't even, like, it's so much. It's 2 baskets full of clothes I need to fold that I just washed. I need to put all these shoes up, these clothes up, put stuff in my backpack. Yeah. What are y'all doing? Sit down. Oh, did I show y'all my backpack? I don't think I did. But this is the backpack. This is the only thing I had to choose from. So, yeah, this is what I got. I got it from Ross for $24.99. And it's kind of like, it's little, but it got a lot of room. Like, it got a pocket for, like, my computer. I don't bring my computer to school, but I might start, maybe. I don't know. Probably not. But I'm gonna talk to y'all later. I don't know what I'm about to do. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I gotta fix my room up. Like, it's just, like, bro, look at my bed. All those clothes I need to fold, and then I just need to make up my bed. Yeah. So, I'll talk to y'all after my room is decluttered. Right, y'all, so I made up my bed. That stuff is still on my new clothes, so I didn't fix it yet. Yeah. I'm still debating if I want to do a video for y'all or not. I need to get the cleaning stuff from out of my room, just sitting around. But yeah, and I straightened up my bathroom and stuff. So yeah, my room is, you know, I told myself I was gonna, like, you know, have my room a little, you know, clean for first day of school, because I just feel like, you know, you gotta start off right. So yeah, I'm prepared for school, I guess. No, I'm lying.